Hi everybody, my name is Jean Bishop from Golden Circle Events. Today I'm going to give you a breakdown of setting up some DJ equipment as well as a basic PA. In front of me today I've got a Pioneer DJM 900 Nexus, two Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus and two Technics 1210 turntables. Remember that even though your gear may be slightly different to mine, the basic connections and setup of this equipment will be exactly the same. Let me give you a rundown of my mixer. My mixer has 4 channels. Each channel allows for multiple inputs, so you can plug anything from your CDJs, turntables, iPod or cell phone or laptop into it. It also has 2 microphone inputs as well as 2 multi-effects engines. A very interesting feature with this mixer is it also has a USB which allows you to connect it to your laptop, use it as a controller and a sound card. These are the Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus. I have a pair of them in front of me today. They have a nice big color screen display. They allow for CDs and USBs in multiple file formats, anything from MP3, WAV or AIFF. They connect via RCA to a line input on your DJ mixer. They also have a network connector which connects 2 CDJs together. You can play then 1 USB from both simultaneously. Next, I have a Technics 1210 turntable. It connects to the mixer using a pair of RCA connectors into a phono input. Finally, I'll show you how to put this all together and connect it up to your PA. First, we're going to start by connecting our Technics 1200 series turntables. They use 3 connectors, 2 RCA connectors, red being the right side, black being the left side, and a ground connector. The ground connector connects onto these at the top, and the RCAs into the phono input on the back of the DJ mixer. We then make sure that we've selected the phono input on that channel. Next, I'm going to show you how to connect the Pioneer CDJ 2000 to the mixer, as well as a network connection to connect the 2 CDJ 2000s together. First, I take my 2 RCA connectors and I plug them into the output of the CDJ. I then take my single Cat5 network cable and plug it into the link out in the back of the CDJ. I then take the other end of the cable with its RCA connectors and connect it into the left and right in the CD line input on the DJ mixer. It is then very important to select the correct input on the DJ mixer. Next, we're going to connect our PA using 2 balanced XLR connectors. On the back of the DJ mixer, you will see it says Master 1. It has a left and a right connection. Next, I'm going to show you how to connect the PA system. First, I connect the power. Next, I connect the signal into channel 1. I have an option to run a pass-through, either full range or high pass. In this instance, I'm going to select a high pass, which then allows me to run just the lows through the subwoofer and just the mid-highs through the top. Next, I connect the loop through, which then goes to the mid-highs. First, I'm going to plug in the power connector. Next, I'm going to make sure that I'm selected on a line level input and not a mic level input. I connect the male side of my XLR connector into channel 1 on the back of the speaker. Now that everything is connected, I'm ready to power on. I then make sure that my gain is set to full for this specific amp module. I know with the JBL Eon 615 that 0 is gain full. I then turn my master level up to halfway. Next, I'm going to do a quick test and make sure that I'm getting signal in from my turntable. First, I turn the trim up and I can see my level coming in. My goal here is to get a decent level and most definitely stay out of the red. As soon as it goes into the red, it starts distorting and it degrades the signal quality. Next, I will push the fader up and turn my level up on the master and watch my level coming in and try and get it as close to 0 as possible, once again keeping it out of the red. Thanks for watching everybody, and remember that even though your equipment may be slightly different to mine, the connections and rules still apply. Please hit like and subscribe for future videos on our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.